Okay, so let's look at the channels within your team's classroom. So what I'm looking at here is you have a general and you have a chatterbox. The general is set up to where you cannot leave any comments. This is where I post your pass offs, your attendance check in, anything important like, hey, go sign up for Smart Music. What else? Your end of your audition music is sitting here. Concert music play alongs for each band class. See, there's the beginner band spring concert music. Right? Here's a long post that I'll continue to update and add to. These are a lot of resources, things that you can be playing along with, reading, looking over while we're out, because more weight's put on you guys right now to practice and get better. So this area is turned off from comments. You can like, but you cannot comment and you cannot start new conversations. All right, the other is Chatterbox. And this is where you can leave comments. See right here, it says 16 replies. Um, and this is the area where we converse, where if you have a tech question, if you have a question about class, about your instrument, if you're having trouble logging in, there's a post just for technology and questions about classroom. The one right here in front of you is not an assignment, but just for fun. My musical challenge is I'm going to play 30 songs a day out of beginner book 1 on the baritone until I get to the end of the book, which if I do it right will be by Friday, maybe Saturday at the latest. So this is more of our general fun place, but it's also where I need you to check in weekly. There'll be a weekly post that says week 2 check in, and I'll have listed the things you need to do for me. You need to go make sure that you take care of your pass off. You need to check in for attendance. You need to practice in smart music. That tracks your progress. That tracks what you're doing. If you're not doing that, you need to be sending me videos of you practicing at home. You need to be checking in so that I can see that you are participating.